Hello everybody, in today's video I want to talk about Sologenic and Coreum and share some news with you and some alpha from Twitter space I heard recently. And before I start, I really want to say thank you guys for watching me, more and more people joining my channel, so thank you guys a lot for all your support. I really appreciate it. And let me actually start with a good panel discussion happened a couple of days ago with FOMO taking place of it. It is called the DeFi Infrastructures Taking the World by Storm topic. It happened in New York, and actually I think it's great for Sologenic team because it was very good speakers in this panel discussion with Ripple, with Osmosis, and when it's great speakers, it's good for other like teams, people knowing about Sologenic, because Osmosis, the main DEX of Cosmos, like Ripple, it goes without saying, and also other partners, so it brings more attention. And also during such events, the team is doing great job, and they're partnering with different projects. Like last time in Las Vegas, they did more partnership with Ripple, and this London event in November, it was already in close partnership with them. So I think it's very good that they're developing so much in growth as well as product. And another great news that they have a new team member. It is Chris, digital marketer specialist, and they're going to focus on development for marketing, not only for Solar, it's going to be also Coreum. So they have a lot of activities as part of the marketing campaign. And I also was part of Twitter space last week or week before that, and they mentioned this tokenization topic because it was one of the questions, and I think people is very interested in this one. And Fabio mentioned that it's like three different ways how they could make this tokenization happen, and one of them is acquiring another company. He mentioned the second one, and not all of the solutions. It's like something not to disclose, as he said. But I think that the main solution for them is like acquiring the company which has the license already. I think it's a matter of like the negotiation, and it could be some money also issue with this, I do not know, but at least it is something on their roadmap, and it is something they're working on because people is waiting about the license a lot. And also they mentioned that after tokenization of stocks, it could be actually also tokenization of real estate and some other use cases, which is absolutely very great and brilliant that they're already thinking about it. Also, they did mention that Sologenic original NFTs, which could be unique 3D avatars for metaverse and gaming, they're in partnerships and negotiation with a metaverse project built on XRPL and other platforms, and they want to also work with them closely. So it's good they're developing it and not just putting the collection in here and that's it. So I find this very good. They did also put their success highlights for 2022, and actually it's a lot of things happening. That's why I do so many updates like weekly or 2-3 times per month, because they're doing so much, and I'm very happy that it's still continuing even with this bear market conditions. And talking about Coreum, they did another distribution for solo holders. The ratio is still very great, a little bit less than prior months, but it means that more people joined solo for November snapshot, and it still gives a lot of quorum for solo holding, and I think it's good. We didn't hear any news for December snapshot because some time ago they were mentioned that it could potentially be very big airdrop as part of December campaign, but still nothing as news. But I'm waiting for it and holding solo, I mean, for airdrop, and not only for the airdrop. And talking about the price, it is actually, I mean, it painful to see this number, but at the same time it's quite a good price for even for short term, because you know, like it was up to like 35 cents recently, and it doesn't seem that it will be like the issue again, and it's very like good even short term trade, I think, because it could easily give like 3x or something. It's not financial advice, it's not something I'm doing, it's just like the idea of what I think when I see this kind of price. It's good for accumulation for sure. And Coreum is trading about 20 cents, which is not that bad and dramatical if we are looking at the whole price of Coreum. I mean, it's still in the accumulation phase, and I don't see any actually significant issues. They will also make some technical Twitter spaces and some more like Coreum type of content during next year, because it's going to be Mainnet launch happening in March, or like at least first half of the year for sure. And they have another person join the team, this Chris, digital marketer, so I think it definitely could be good, and they're preparing for like going like happen bull market with all their development. So so good so far. Don't look at those prices, just take an advantage if you have some money on side to accumulate more. So it is actually all I wanted to share with you guys today. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.